Hollywood royalty has officially arrived at the Toronto International Film Festival, and all eyes were on Angelina Jolie, who stole the spotlight at the Couture premiere with her timeless glamour and these iconic legs that had everyone talking. Angelina stunned in a daring black couture gown that featured a dramatic slit, reminding everyone exactly why she's a red carpet legend. The actress, humanitarian, and mother of 6 radiated confidence as she greeted fans, posed for photos, and brought back memories of her unforgettable Oscars leg moment that went viral years ago. Social media lit up instantly. Fans praised her flawless look, calling her the queen of red carpets, while fashion critics applauded the daring yet sophisticated design. Clearly, Angelina Jolie still knows how to make a headline-worthy entrance. So what do you think? Did Angelina Jolie just deliver one of the most iconic TIFF red carpet moments of all time? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more celebrity-style breakdowns and Hollywood highlights.